Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Good morning, dear friends. How are you? Good morning, my dear friends. How are you doing? Good morning, my dear friends. How are you doing? Hello. Hi. Good morning, Rupa Raul. Kindly write your name also. Kindly write your name. Write your name along with the wish or any message you are sending. Try to write your name along with it. Okay. A very good morning to all of you. To all the friends who are joining us this morning. Area, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Area. Anyone else who is joining us? A very good morning to Area and everybody who is joining us this morning. As you know, we have one rule on this YouTube live session that you have to, whenever you send a message or or an answer in the chat box, you have to write your name along with it. Isn't it? Let me check the chat box. Yes. Yeah, like that. Like Arya has written, good morning, I am Arya. You just have to write your name along with your message so that we don't get confused that who is sending us a message. So, a very good morning to Arya and all the other friends who are joining us on Me and Math YouTube live session for grade second this morning. I hope all of you have woken up, had your breakfast, and are feeling all energetic and are ready for a fun session of YouTube this morning. All right. A very good morning. A very good. Other friends are joining us also. Yes, my dear friends. Good morning. Good morning. Try to write your name along with your message. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to me and math classes. And today is our YouTube live session for grade one and two this morning. And let's have a fun discussion on maths on a topic of maths that we are going to do today. And let's see what that topic is going to be. Okay, that topic is going to be money. So, money is what? Who will tell me what is money? What do you use money for in your life? Yes, area and others. Who will tell me what is money? Yes, my dear friends. So, guys, I'm waiting for your answer in the chat box. Just tell me in whatever way what is money and write your name along with your answer. Since today we are going to have a fun discussion about money. Who will tell me? Okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Come on, be energetic, my dear friends, this morning. All right. Let me tell you. As you know, also, money is something. Money is a currency. What do you mean? Money or currency helps us in buying and selling stuff, isn't it? You know this from so you go to the shop, you go to the candy store, or you go to a toy store, and then you have to buy something, or sometimes you have something. The shopkeeper has the goods and he wants to sell it. So what will he take from you? Currency or money, isn't it? And you want to buy something. What will you give the shopkeeper, or the for the candy or the toy, you will give him money in exchange of a toy or uh, your candy, isn't it? So that is what money is, isn't it? We use it in our daily life, and uh, we use it to buy and sell stuff. And also, as you remember, I think you must have read it in your class also, that money is also in the form of numbers, isn't it? And you know it also, since it is for in the form of numbers. For example, there is rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 10, rupees 100, and so on, isn't it? That the notes are also there, or the coins are there. There will be a value, or a numerical value, or a number written on it, isn't it? So that is what money. So money can be anything. It can be 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees, 6 rupees, and so on. All right. So that is what money. Uh, that is why we are studying this in our me and math. We will think about money as numbers. It is money is in the form of numbers only, isn't it? Any questions till now, area or anyone? Anyone who has joined us late? Any question from them? All right. So money is in the form of numbers, and we'll try to understand regarding money. Okay. This morning on Me and Math YouTube live session. Okay. Before that, what we do, as you know, we will reveal our star student of the week. Okay. So then let's do it. Let's reveal our star student of the week. All right, all right. So the star student of the week was Trijal and Bhagat Singh Punia, and they have achieved what what was needed to be achieved to come on YouTube and to be seen on YouTube. That they have become the star students of the week. So how do you become the star student of the week? As you know, you have to attend your daily classes on me and math, not your daily, your regular classes on me and math regularly, and you have to do your homeworks correctly and regularly every day. And if you are doing them correctly, and you're answering all the questions well, and you are getting a good score in those homeworks, as well as you are receiving points in the class, when you attend the class, you are focused in the class, and you perform well, and also you perform well in the homeworks, then you can become the star student of the week. Okay. So for becoming a star student of the week, you have to attend the regular classes in a good way, and then answer all the questions that the teacher asks you in the class, and be a disciplined student in the class. And then when the homeworks are sent to you every day, you have to do them correctly, within time, correctly within. And what you have to do is, uh, you have to not miss any homework, and then you can become the star student of the week, like Trijal and Bhagat Singh Punia have become this week. So they are the star students of this week, Bhagat Singh Punia and Trijal Sharma. I'll play this video again since many of you are joining again. Well done, well done, well done, and congratulations to Bhagat Singh Punia and Trijal. Okay, all right, then let's move. Okay, now as you know, we start off with the written. Brain teaser. Tell me. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. Who am I? So I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. Who am I? Come on, who will tell me? So write your answer in the chat box along with your name. I am alive, but I grow. I'm not alive. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. Who am I? Come on, write your name along with your answer. I know you guys can do know the answer, so write your name along with the answer. Come on, guys. Come on, friends. Write your name along with your answer. You can send me your answer and write your name along for this brain teaser this morning that I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. Who am I? Come on, Area. Come on, Trijal. Come on, others. I'm waiting for your answers. That I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. Who am I? Should I reveal the answer? What do you say? Should I reveal the answer? Okay, okay. Let me reveal the answer. And the answer is balloons, isn't it? So this was a brain teaser, as you know, and the answer to it was balloons because I am not alive, but I grow. The balloon grows when you blow air into it, it grows, and I don't have lungs, but I need air. Obviously, when you don't have lungs, are in the body of humans and animals, uh, which when you breathe in air, it goes into the lungs. So, but when something is not alive, so it's not a animal or a human, so it is not alive. So I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. The appropriate answer to it for this teaser was balloons, isn't it? Okay, okay. Well done to anybody who got it. Even before I told them. All right, that is good. That is good. Okay, then let's move on. So also this morning, we also want to appreciate all the learners who join us every morning on a Sunday and interact with uh, with us in this YouTube live session. Try to learn something new um, on a Sunday morning and have a fun session of maths. And they people like see Samarth, Sarthak, Sanvi, and then Arya, Trijal, and everybody else who join us on a Sunday morning and are very interactive here and answer all the questions nicely and try to learn something new. So all of you guys are well appreciated, and I must, say that it is very good on your part that you join and then answer all the questions and are really interactive. This will help you learn a lot. Okay, and you're well appreciated. Now, so what we need to know, regarding money before doing our questions, Olympiad level questions, is what money is, what rupees and paisa are, what notes and coins are, and so on. So the concept of money, I already told you at the start of the class that today we are going to study on money, and money is something, is the currency with which we can buy and sell stuff. In exchange of money, we can buy or sell stuff, isn't it? So money is something. So when you go to the shopkeeper or a toy shop, a candy shop, and you pay them money, you can, in exchange for money, you can get your toy or your candies or chocolates or whatever you want. Okay, so that is money, isn't it? You have seen it when you go to a shopkeeper. So that is money. Okay, and the shopkeeper sells it to you and gets money in it. Okay, so the shopkeeper is selling and money is helping him. He is getting his value back in the form of money. And when you are getting something, you are giving the person money and getting a toy or anything, a chocolate or whatever you want to buy, a pencil box, a pencil for yourself, isn't it? Now, rupees and paise. So we need to remember that 100 paise, I know uh, we'll just revise it quickly, that 100 paise is equal to rupees 1, isn't it? That 100 paise are equal to 1 rupees, isn't it? You remember this always, that 100 paise are equal to 1 rupees. This is the most important thing. Paise is like a smaller currency as compared to rupees. Okay, Arya is saying tree. Oh, for the you are saying for the uh, brain teaser. But already said it's the balloon. It's the balloon. Anyways, so rupees and paise. So paise is a smaller currency than money, as you know. So when something, you have to buy something, and it is, let's imagine the small candy, and it is even less than rupees 1. So we sell that in paises, and we have to remember that. For example, if I am buying two two candies and one candy is for 50 paise, so then 50 paise plus 50 paise is 1 rupees, isn't it? So two candies I'll get for 1 rupees, but I'll get them for 100 paise. It will be equal. 100 paise is equal to rupees 1, isn't it? And then also we need to remember that notes and coins are there. You must have seen. So usually the lower values of currency like 1, 2, 5, and 10, and sometimes nowadays 20 also. Okay, these rupees 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 can be in the form of coins. Okay, in the form of coins, they are sent out to the public, isn't it? And then and everybody uses them, isn't it? So these can be the coins. And then notes are there. Notes are for even starting from 10 rupees, then 20 rupees, then 100, 50, 500, and so on, isn't it? Those type of 200, 100, 50, 20, and so on. Money can be in the form of notes as well as coins. Usually the smaller um, numbers or the smaller amount of money is in it is in coins, and b- a little bit started from a little bit bigger amount of money, for example 10 rupees, it is in the form of notes. All right, so we already know now the conversion of paise to rupees also, that 100 paise is rupees 1. The paises are also always in coin, so 50 paise or 25 paise coin will be there, not note. And now what is costly and cheap? Costly means when something you feel is, for example, you buy a shirt for yourself. Okay, so if there is a shirt, you have your parents buy a shirt for you, one shirt is for rupees 100, another rupees 100, and another shirt is for rupees 200. Okay, so now this 200 rupees shirt is costly, you will need more money for this, isn't it? It is costly and you will need more money for it. And for the rupees 100 shirt is cheaper, isn't it? It is cheap as compared to the rupees 200 shirt. So it is cheaper than rupees 200, and rupees 200 is costlier than rupees 100 shirt, or isn't it? So costly means in which you have to pay more money. Cheap means in which you have to pay a little bit lesser money as compared to the costly one. Okay, so that is what costly means and what cheap means. And you can also find the total amount of money by what? If you, for example, if you buy one chocolate for 10 rupees, and another you get a pencil box for rupees 20, then how much total amount you have spent when you went to the shop? You bought a chocolate for 10 rupees and a pencil box for rupees 20. So the total amount will be 10 plus 20, isn't it? Which is equal to rupees 30, isn't it? Rupees 30 it will be. And also sometimes uh, what you do in order to find the total amount is that if you have bought a pencil, you have bought mm, 8 pencils, okay, and each pencil costs rupees 2. Okay, then what is the total amount you spent? In that way, in order to find the total amount, if there are equal groupings, you have to do multiplication. Then equal groups means same looking many number of things. Like uh, uh, I said that there are 8 uh, uh, pencils, and each pencil, now you know the price of each pencil is 2. So it can be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, but repeated addition is multiplication, isn't it? Therefore the total amount for that will be 8 multiplied by 2, which is equal to rupees 60, isn't it? So that is what how, that is how we can find the total amount of money also. Okay, or the total amount we have spent or total amount we have received. Okay, so these are the basics. Now let's move on to the questions, and I hope you will answer really well. Okay, okay, now who will tell me the first question of the day? Come on, everybody, now get ready, and I know you know it, so get ready to give me answers, and I hope you will answer really well this morning, and you will show that you have understood every topic really well. So one cupcake is for rupees 12. One cupcake One cupcake is for rupees 12. Harshal buys three such cupcakes. How much does he need to pay? So what is it? Cupcake is for rupees 12. Harshal buys three such cupcakes. How much does he need to pay? Who will tell me? So one cupcake is for how much? Rupees 12. So if one cupcake is for rupees 12 and Harshal buys how many such cupcakes? Three. How much does he need to pay? Come on, tell me. Come on, guys, answer that if one cupcake is for rupees 12, Harshal buys three such cupcakes. How much does he need to pay? We just know, so you're trying to find the total amount. Come on, guys, I'll give you 1 minute more to answer the question. Very easy question that if one cupcake is for rupees 12, Harshal buys three such cupcakes. How much does he need to pay? That he now he has bought three cupcakes, isn't it? Now it is like it will be, I'll give you a hint, it will be a repeated addition problem, and repeated addition, you know what that is. Very easy question, isn't it? Yes, well done. It is rupees 36, isn't it? Because yeah, many of you are giving answers. These are, I don't know your name, but 36 is the right answer. Everybody should write the name along with the answer because three cupcakes are being bought and each cupcake is for rupees 12. So now if one is for 12, two will be for 12 plus 12 and three will be for 12 plus 12 plus 12. So three cupcakes are for 12 plus 12 plus 12, or we can say 12 multiplied by 3, isn't it? Repeated addition is multiplication. So 12 is being added three times, therefore we can multiply it. And anybody who knows the table of 12 knows that 12 threes are rupees 36, or even we can do it like this. Simple two digit into one digit multiplication. 12 multiplied by 3 is 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. So the total money that Harshal needs to pay will be rupees 36, which is that option, option number C. So option number C, rupees 36 is the correct answer. All right, guys. Well done. Well done to everybody who answered and everybody who did it really well. All right. Now let's be active for the next question. All right. Now be active. Now Meenal has four coins. Meenal has four coins of 50 paise. So four coins of 50 paise, two coins of 1 rupees, two notes of rupees 10. I told you it can be money can be in the form of coins as well as notes. Which of the following can she make using these coins and notes? So what can she make out of these coins and notes? So now if she has four coins of 50 paise, all right, four coins of 50 paise, that makes how much? Then you can convert that into rupees. Then two coins of 1 rupee, you can convert them and see how much that becomes, and then two notes of rupees 10 and you can convert them and see how much it becomes. Come on guys, waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer in the chat box. So which of the following you have to look, she can make many um, amounts from it, but you have to see out of the options which is possible. Is 26 possible? Is 15 possible? Is 17 possible? Or is 13 possible? Which one is possible? Which one is possible? Is it 13? Is it 26? Is it 15? Is it 17? Come on. Who will tell me? I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, I'll give you, I think it's an easy one. I'll give you 1 minute. But do answer. Come on. So I'll give you the hint as you are doing it. So now four coins of 50 paise means 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 or 50 multiplied by 4. That is 200 paise, isn't it? Now 200 paise is 2 rupees. Isn't it? Two coins of 1 rupee means again 2 rupees, isn't it? Two coins again means rupees 2 because two coins of 1 rupee are there. So 1 plus 1 is rupees 2. And two notes of rupees 10 means rupees 20, isn't it? So what can she make from it? Now 20 plus 2 is 24 or 20 plus 2 is, but she has 10 plus 10, so two notes of rupees 10, isn't it? And then this is in the form of 1 plus 1, isn't it? And this is in the form of 50 plus 50, 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50, isn't it? So these are the forms Meenal has money in. Now, what amount can she make from it? Now she can take a 10 and she can take a number of coins. She can take a 20 and take a number of coins, isn't it? So come on, tell me, what is the amount she can make? Yes, very well done. It will be A13. Correct answer. Because see, there is a 10, there is a 1, you, or you can take both these two ones means 12, and you can take two 50 paise coins. That will be 1 rupees, because 50 plus 50 is 100 paise. This will also be 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2, and this will be a 10, and the answer will be option A, 13, because 10 plus 2 plus 1 is 13. So rupees 13 will be your answer. All right, isn't it? So well done to everybody who has answered this question and answered it correctly. The answer will be option A, rupees 13. All right. Any doubt anybody has regarding this? They can tell me in the chat box. We had to make an amount out of these options. Which amount was possible? It was option A, rupees 30. Okay. Now next question. Now this is an easy one. Now how many 20 paise coins can make rupees 2? Who will tell me? How many 20 paise coins can make rupees 2? Come on, area. Come on, others. How many 20 paise coins can make rupees 2? Okay. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Come on, I'm waiting for you in the chat box. That how many 20 paise coins can make rupees 2? So now we know how many paise will be equal to rupees 2. You know that. We already studied that conversion. And we also know have the options in front of us. Then how many coins will make rupees 2? But if I have 20 paise coins, it is very logical. Come on, let me give you 30 seconds more, 30, 40 seconds. Let's see who will answer. All right, well done. Many people have answered, and indeed the answer is 10 coins. Why? Because see, 20 paise it was saying. Now 20 paise coins to make rupees 2. Now how many paise will be in rupees 2? In rupees 2, there will be, if in 1 rupees there is 100 paise, in 2 rupees it will be 200 paise, isn't it? So 2 rupees will be equal to 200 paise. Now how many 20s do I need to make a 200? That is what I need to ask myself, that how many 20s do I need to make 200 paise, isn't it? So it will be obviously 20 plus 20 plus 20 and so on. Means it is repeated addition stuff. So 20, I just need to see 20 multiplied by how many times will become 200 paise, isn't it? Then 20 multiplied by 10 times will become 200 paise. Therefore, we will need 10 coins, isn't it? Area and Trijal and others, I hope you got it. So it will be 10 coins, isn't it? Because 20 paise coins, 10 coins of 20 paise, which is 20 multiplied by 10, will become 200 paise, and it will become rupees 2, isn't it? Well done. It was an easy question, and I hope most of you understood. All right. Now, next question. Okay. Now, the question is in front of you that Manya has rupees 90. Which of the following things can she buy if she spends all of her money? Very easy question. Now, if Manya has rupees 90, which of the following things can she buy if she spends all of her money? Manya has rupees 90. Which of the following things can she buy if she spends all her money? Come on, who will tell me? So there is a toy car and a comb. So the toy car is for 40, the comb is for 20. The teddy bear is then in option B for 50 and the comb is for 20 again. Then a doll is for 70 and the comb is for 20. Then a crown is for rupees 60 and the comb is for rupees 20 again. Yes, come on guys, try. I'll give you a minute. I'm waiting for your answers in the chat box. Yes, I'm getting a few. Okay, okay then. So what this is, this, yeah, well done. So indeed the answer is option C. Good. So the option C is the answer because Manya has rupees 90. And the question says that if she spends all her money, what can she buy out of these options? So we have to find the total amount in each option, isn't it? So this toy car is for rupees 40 and this coupe for 20, therefore it becomes rupees 60. 40 plus 20 is 60. Then this teddy bear is for 50, this comb is for 20. As you know, 50 plus 20 will become rupees 70, isn't it? Similarly, the crown is for rupees 60 and the comb is for rupees 20. Again, 0 plus 0 and 6 plus 2, so it will become for rupees 80, isn't it? And then a doll is for rupees 70 and this comb is for rupees 20. So 70 plus 20, if I add, the total amount will become 90. And isn't that the amount that Manya has? Manya has indeed the 90 rupees. Therefore, 70 plus 20 is 90. That option number C is the correct answer. And well done to everybody who has answered as 90. Very well done. Good. So you did this question well. Now let's try to do the next one. Okay, now similar question. Now Raju has rupees 25. His mother gave him two notes of 50. How much amount does he have now? So Raju already had 25 rupees. Now his mother gave him how much? Two more notes of rupees 50. How much money amount does he have now? Now we have again to find the total amount. Okay, come on, find the total amount. Now if Raju has rupees 25, his mother gave him two notes of 50. How much amount does he have now? So 25 Raju has. Okay, and then how much was added to it? Two notes of 50, meaning two fifties he has now. How much does he have in total now? If to begin with 25 rupees Raju has and then he has two notes of rupees 50 that his mother gave him to him. Let's see who's going to answer this very easy question. So two notes of 50 will be equal to what? And then you have, I'm giving you a hint. Two notes of 50 will be equal to what? And then you have to add the already existing money that Raju has. I'll give you a minute. Come on, to everybody who is trying to answer. Come on, guys, answer that if Raju has rupees 25 and his mother gave him two notes of 50, how much amount does he have now? Raju has rupees 25, his mother gave him two notes of 50. How much amount does he have now? Very easy question. So, okay, I'll help you with it. And as many of you have answered and are giving you, your reasons, let me give you my reason also and why I chose the answer and why is it the correct answer. So, the answer will be A, rupees 125. Because if Raju already had 25 rupees and then his mother gave him how much? Two notes of 50. Now 50 plus 50 is equal to, we put a zero here, 5 plus 5 is 10, isn't it? So that is 100 rupees. So now it means Raju has been given 100 more rupees. So 100 plus 25, if 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So the rupees 125 is the money that Raju has now. Because if Raju has 25 rupees, his mother gave him two notes of 50, two notes of 50 is 100. So I am adding 100 to 25, and the answer I am getting is that Raju now has rupees 125, which is sorry, option number A. Okay, so option number A, rupees 125, is indeed the correct answer. Well done to everybody who has given 125 as the correct answer. Okay, now again, now if one teddy bear, come on now, focus that if one teddy bear costs rupees 30, how many such teddy bears can Trishika buy for rupees 100? If one teddy bear costs rupees 30, how many such teddy bears can Trishika buy for rupees 100? Come on, think about it. Who will give me the answer? So if one teddy bear costs rupees 30, so each teddy bear is costing 30. Now, if Trishika has 100 rupees in her pocket, so how many teddy bears can she buy? I will give you a minute. Yes, well done, well done. Come on. Yes, guys, you can answer. Very easy question. Yes, yes, that is the correct answer. Let's see if anybody else can get the correct answer. Yes, Sanvi, yes, that is the correct answer. Yes, Adarsh, yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, just 30 seconds more and let's explain this question also then. I'll just give 30 more seconds to you guys. Okay then. So the question was saying that Trishika has a total of rupees 100, and if one teddy bear costs rupees 30, how many can she buy? So it will simply mean that if she has 100 rupees, okay, she has to divide it by 30. It was a division problem. It involves money, obviously, but it is a division problem because if 100 rupees she has and she has to buy teddy bears which are for rupees 30, how many can she buy? You divide 100 by 30, isn't it? Now 30 divided by 100, if I say the table of 30 even, it means very easy to do the repeated addition of 30. So 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90. So what number is closest to 100 in the table of 30 but less than 100? It is 90, isn't it? So 90 is there. What I write, 33s are 90, and I'll get a remainder 10, isn't it? Means what will happen is that Trishika will be able to buy three such teddy bears, which is option B, and she will have rupees 10 left with her because this is the remainder. Okay, you can also imagine it like if she has 100 rupees and then uh, she needs to buy teddy bear. So first she takes out 30, gets one teddy bear. Then she takes out another 30 rupees and gets another teddy bear. And then she takes out another um, 30 rupees and gets another teddy bear. So that will be equal to 90. Now, can she take out another 30? No, because another 30 will be 120 if I add another 30 to it. And she has only how much money? 100 rupees. Therefore, what she can buy at most is three teddy bears and rupees 10 will be left with her. All right. So option number B3 is the right answer, and everybody who has given this answer, very well done. Option number B, three teddy bears is the right answer. Very good, very good. To whoever, anybody has a doubt regarding this question, you can tell me in the chat box. Okay then. Now, they so the next question, very easy. So we know about cheap and costly, isn't it? We studied it at the beginning, isn't it? So if for something we have to pay much more than it is costly, and if we have to pay a little less for that thing of for another thing that is cheaper as compared to the other thing, isn't it? So which of the following is costlier than the ice cream cone? Now the ice cream cone is here. It is for rupees 65. It is for rupees 65. Okay. And then this drink is for rupees 60. This um, piece of cake is for rupees 75. This chocolate is for rupees 25. And another, I think it's a small cupcake, is for rupees 45. So which of the following is costlier than the ice cream cone? The ice cream cone itself is for rupees 65. So who will tell me? Easiest question, isn't it? So which of the following is costlier than the ice cream cone? I'll give you a minute. Come on. Very easy. Which one of the following is costlier than the ice cream cone? Yes. Costlier means for which we have to pay more. So what now? I'm giving you clear hint. For what are we paying more than the ice cream cone? That will be the costlier one. Okay, well done. Most of you are giving the answer as option D, the piece of cake that is for rupees 75. Obviously, the only thing that is costlier for than rupees 65 in these four options is the piece of cake for rupees 75, isn't it? Because the piece of cake is for rupees 75, it is for that we have to pay more than 65. This is for 60, this is which is less than 65, 45 is also less than 65, 25 is also less than 65. Therefore, the only thing for which we are paying more is this piece of cake which is for rupees 75. Well done to everybody who has answered this question. Very easy, isn't it? Now let's do our Sunday bonus question, the last question for our day. Okay, so the question says select the correct option. I have three 20 rupees 20 notes and two rupees 50 notes. Now, this is what Nishit says. What Nishi says is that I have two 20 rupees notes and four rupees 10 notes. Then Nitish says that I have 100 rupee note and a 110 rupees note. So which of the option is correct? That does Nishit have the more money, most money? That is option number A. Does Nitish has have more money than Nishit? Does Nishi have more money than Nishit? And option D is Nitish has the least money. Which of the options is correct? Come on, this is the Sunday bonus question, the last question for the day. Come on, guys, answer this well. Answer this correctly and well, and we'll be done for the day. Come on, I'll give you a minute. So Nishit has 3 rupees 20 notes and 250 notes. Okay, while you do it, let me also explain a bit. Let me also do it. So if for Nishit has 3 rupees 20 notes and 2 rupees 50 notes. So first we'll find 250 notes are equal to 50 plus 50, that is 100. And then 3 rupees notes are 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60. So the total money that Nishit has will be 100 plus 60, which is equal to rupees 160, isn't it? Now for Nishi, the money she has is two 20 rupees notes, that is 20 plus 20, 40, and four 10 rupees notes, means 40 plus 40, isn't it? Four 10 rupees notes is also 40. So 40 plus 40 is rupees 80. And the third option that Nitish, the boy Nitish has, I have one rupees 100 note and one 10 rupees note. So 100 plus 10, it will be rupees 110, isn't it? So which option is correct? Easiest question. Yes, indeed. Option number A, that Nishit has the most money, is correct. And if you check all the other options, Nitish has more money than Nishit. No, Nitish has 110 and Nishit has 160. Nishi has more money than Nishit. No, this is also wrong because she has only 80 rupees and Nishit has 160 and Nitish has the least money. No, Nitish does not have the least money. Nishi has the least money because she has only 80 rupees. So all these three options are incorrect. And indeed, the correct answer is option number A, that Nishit has the most money. Well done. Well done to everybody who has answered this question. Very well done. That is good. So you guys did great, and hope you understood the concept really well, and you also, I can see that you did the questions well. So well done, and see you again next week. Have a nice Sunday. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye bye.